Hello student, today we are going to see LED flashing with 8051 controller. Okay, for that what we needed is we needed a right software. Okay, with the right software, what we have seen, we have imbued a code in. Okay, so what we have done in the software is that we have transferred 00 into port P1, then we have called a delay, and then we have transferred FF into P1. So in port P1, first 00 is going. So we are going to give all zeros to the LED. So all the LED is going to be off. Then we are going to call a delay. Then again we are going to give FF. What is the meaning of FF? That all the 8 pins are 1, 1, 1, 1. So we are going to send 1, 1, 1 to port P1. And again we are going to call delay. Then short jump. Again it is going to jump. So how long this is? This is continuously, indefinitely. This will be going to an infinity loop. That is continuously LED will glow on, LED will glow off. Okay. So then after doing this, we will just compile this one. We will go to the projector. Okay, we have a projector and then we'll go build all. Okay, so we have build the things. Okay, so something is missing. Okay, one error is there. What is the error? That is on line 10 there is an error. So where is line 10 here? So just I have created this error. So I just return this, because after this delay is over, we have to return back to the main code. So I just generated this delay by default. So now the error has gone. Again we'll just go and build. Okay. Now we have built the program. So you can just click on this and you can see that we have built an LED flash .hex file. Okay. So now with this help of the code, we have created an hex code. Why we have created an hex code? Because this hex code we are going to imbue into our 8051 kit. Okay. Now how we are going to imbue in this kit? So before that we need to have one software, that is Flash Magic. Okay. So before that we have to select which IC. So this selection of the IC is based totally on our kit. So this is our kit, okay, 8051 kit. This is the kit which we have in our lab session. We have been taking this kit from S2N Systems, okay. And what we have in this kit we have two slots. One is the 8051 slot and one is the PIC slot, okay. Right now we are going to use 8051 slot. So what we can just remove this IC, okay. So we have a button, we have a provision that we can remove this IC, because if the IC is not working, something is wrong, we can change the IC. So there is a provision of changing the IC and we just switch this button off. So the IC has been fixed. With this IC we have LEDs here. So you can see that we have LEDs here. Fine. With this we have an LCD display. So we are going to see in today's practical we are going to see only the interfacing between the 8051 controller and the LED. Second, we have an LCD. So in the next practical we'll have this LCD. You can see these videos later on. Okay. Then we have one more video based on this, that is interfacing with the 7 segment. Then we have a video based on this also, that is interfacing with the keypad. Okay. With this connections we have very important thing, we have one more button here, that is reset. We have reset 2 type. Whenever we are switching on this kit, reset has been generated. That is, the program will start executing from 000. And in between something went wrong and we want to execute again the program. Then we just have to press again the button reset. Okay. With this button we have one more switch, that is called as the press switch. Okay. So this is press down and this is press up. So we have, when we press down, that is, down is program mode. So whenever we want to load a program from the Flash Magic into the chip, we have to press the button down. Now it is released, now we are going to press. And whenever we want to run, we have to release, that is, we have to go in up, that is run mode. With this, we have a connection, that is, we have to connect to 230 volt supply. With this, we have one more, that is RS235 connector. RS232 connector. Okay, so we have an RS230 connector connected to our CPU. Okay, so we have right now we have seen only 2 connections. One is the supply which is given to the kit, that is 230 volt, and second is the RS232 connector. Okay, so only this 2 part. This is all. Okay, and we have seen that we have to put an IC here. After that, we just have to come to our next simulating software, that is Flash Magic. In this Flash Magic, what is important is the first selection. What is the first selection? The first selection is the selection of the IC. So you can see there is ARM7, there is ARM Cortex, there is external flash, there is LPC, that is Philips ICs, and this is 80C51. So right now what we are studying 8051 interfacing with the LEDs. So in this we have a specific IC. Okay. So which IC we are going to choose? 89V51RD2. Okay, you can just memorize this number 89B51RD2. So after that we just have to, yeah, it's getting recorded. Yeah, it's getting
visible.
Yeah. Okay. We just have to say okay. Fine. So once we say okay, then we have to select the second is the COM. So on this COM is based on the device diagram, whether COM1, COM2, COM3. So from where we can get this information? We can get this information from here. Okay. So you can see here, okay, sorry. We can see here in this port, we are having COM connection. So you just have to go to the port and see which COM, that is COM1. Okay. And just you have to go to the Flash Magic. There you have to cross check whether it is COM1, COM2 or COM3. So if it is COM1, you just have to select COM1. The second is the baud rates. For this we have a baud rate of 9600. So we have to select the baud rate. Next we have to select none. We are not going to connect any other thing, so we are just going to say none. After that we have to select erasable. That is, you erase the previous memory. So you just can select erase all the flash, or you can have one more alternate, erase the block used by the hex file. Okay, so we'll just select the first one. Fine. After that you have this parity bit, but right now we don't have to go in detail about the parity bits. मी नंतर त्याला त्या व्हिडिओला हे करते ना. Okay, after that we have to see that we just have to say we have not put the kit on. Okay, and we have to first switch on the kit. Fine. And we have to press this program mode, down press. Okay, then fine, you can see this. Then you can just go to here. Yeah, you bring the camera here. You just go here and start here. Okay, so it's now we got an error. Now what is this error is? This is not an error, but we need to reset our system. So what is the reset? That we just come here. We just have to make it off and then again make it on. Now afterwards you just see that the error has vanished and we have started downloading the code. So download is completed and it is finished. The Flash Magic work has been completed here. Okay. The next part. Now next part is in the code. If you see very carefully, if you go to our write software, okay, here, and if you see very carefully, we have put port P1 and port P1. So we are connecting the LEDs to port P1. So in the kit, you can see that we have port 0, port P1, P2 and port P3. So from this 4 port, which one we are going to use? Port, we just make. From this 4, which one we are going to use? We are going to use port P1. Okay. So sir is going to show you the connections of port P1. Okay. So for that, we need a flat 8-pin connector. Okay, flat 8-bit connector. There are two options. Either we can use this or we can use a single strand wire. Okay, but since we are having an 8-bit, we will use this flat cable. Fine. We just turn off the kit. Do the connections. You can watch how the connections is done. Okay, so you can just see that we have connected this 8 flat cable from this port to P1 to this LED. Okay, and then we have released the button. That is, we are going in the run mode now. Okay, and just switch on the kit and you can see that the LEDs are flashing. Okay, now the delay, based on the delay, this delay is very small. You can increase the delay. Okay, thank you for watching my video.